Welcome to the mysterious world of dates, where each unwrap reveals a new secret and benefit of this ancient fruit. Dating back to the Middle East and North Africa, dates have been revered for their sweetness, nutritional value, and longevity by ancient civilizations like the Egyptians. Despite their small size, dates pack a powerful nutritional punch, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, offering benefits for heart health, digestion, and overall well-being. Dates are nature's candy, offering a natural alternative to refined sugars, adding delightful sweetness to any culinary creation. Celebrated in cuisines worldwide, dates can be enjoyed fresh, dried, or in syrup form, shining in both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond their culinary appeal, dates hold symbolic significance, representing sustenance, blessings, and hospitality in various cultures. Thriving in arid climates, date palms are a sustainable crop, providing income for farmers and preserving biodiversity. Dates have gained popularity worldwide, captivating taste buds and inspiring culinary creativity across cultures. Uncover the timeless allure of nature's bounty with dates.